Education alone cannot define the child's future. Life is beautified after we enhance the child's interest and make him or her a successful person. With this motive, Shri Bhavar Lal Gadia laid the foundation of Mewar Education Society in 2001, considering education as societal responsibility. The organization's main goal has been to provide opportunities to those youngsters who lack resources in taking forward their talents.
मैं इस देश की जो युवा पीढ़ी है उसको इस देश की जो मुख्य धारा है उसके साथ जोड़ूं, जो गाँव में रहते हैं, जो निम्न वर्ग से आते हैं, जो आर्थिक रूप से कमज़ोर हैं। मेरा ये मानना है कि इन युवाओं में असीम प्रतिभा है, लेकिन इन्हें संवारने का मौका बहुत कम मिलता है। और मेवाड़ एजुकेशन सोसाइटी, मेवाड़ यूनिवर्सिटी, मेवाड़ इंस्टीट्यूट, ये तमाम संस्थानों में एक ही विचारधारा है, रीचिंग टू अनरीच।
बात यही है कि बच्चों को आत्मनिर्भर बनाना है, बच्चों को निर्भर नहीं बनाना है, आत्मनिर्भर बनाना है।
Gangrar, a temple like a board for those who wish to excel in their lives, is located 20 kilometers from Chittorgarh amid the Aravalli Hills. What Mewar Education Society dreamed 13 years ago seems to have come into life now. Mewar Girls College in 2004, Teachers Training Program in 2005, Ayurveda Nursing Training in 2006, and then BSc Nursing Program in 2011. The society is growing year after year. In 2009 came the Mewar University into existence, promulgated under an act passed by Rajasthan Assembly. The list is endless. Above all, the society is even planning to launch a medical college, nursing college, management institute, women's polytechnic and pharmacy college soon. The social work of Mewar Education Society is not only limited to Rajasthan. There is a state-of-the-art campus in Ghaziabad, where Mewar Institute of Management, Mewar Law Institute and Mewar Girls Business School are functioning. Society's only mission is to make the youngsters of the country self-dependent, responsible and confident professionals. Carrying the same motive, an ATDC training center is also running in the Mewar University campus that trains youngsters in various skills. Behind this huge success of Mewar Society lies the strong determination, willpower, discipline and above all, a will to bring a difference to the existing society. Every nook and corner of the campus oozes excellence. High-tech classrooms, smart classes, a library with more than 50,000 books, well-equipped laboratory and research center, modern hostels, medical facilities, indoor and outdoor sports and adventure sports, transport facilities, huge dining hall. Everything is magnificent and up to the mark. An environment where studies would never seem to be a burden.
मेवाड़ यूनिवर्सिटी में 600 कंप्यूटर्स हैं, 12 लैब्स हैं। हम लोग फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड करते हैं इंटरनेट की 24/7।
The library has a massive collection of books